In time for the single best chart. Julia Coronado of MacroPolicy Perspectives still with us as we look at this yawning divergence, Julia, between our record-setting stock market, the S&P 500 there, the white line, and then the core PCE in the blue. I wonder how well you think Janet Yellen has made this case that these inflationary headwinds are transitory. She's walked that back a little bit, but
she has walked it back a little bit. I think she's shown a little bit more flexibility in the last couple of months, and I think the committee broadly has shown a little bit more flexibility. It's one thing for, as President Mester said, to sort of keep your eye on the broader trends and not, want to fall too far behind. It's another thing to keep tightening when inflation is outright declining. So I think that they're willing to be patient, and certainly in September it looks like they're going to take a pause on raising rates as they initiate the balance sheet tightening.
Julia, would a policy mistake come in tightening too quickly or tightening too late?
Well, in my view, it doesn't seem like they're very far behind the curve. The economy certainly doesn't seem to be overheating. Wage growth is subdued. Inflation is subdued. Consumers are not responding to the stock market impulse like they have in the past. They're far more cautious and conservative. So I don't think that the greater risk is that they're falling behind the curve. I think the greater risk would be if they plowed ahead without taking into account some very real signals coming out of inflation. And it's not just a U.S. phenomenon. It's a global phenomenon, and they have to sort of recalibrate what that means for interest rate policy.
Give us a little tease here of the jobs numbers we're going to get on Friday. What are you expecting? We have 20 seconds here.
So I'm a little bit below consensus. I'm looking for 160. The 12-month, 6-month trend is 180. We've had 2 months well above that. So it looks like we're just due for some payback. Overall, the job market seems to be basically humming along at a pretty good clip. So below consensus, but no red flags.